The much-awaited cyclone Fengal is expected to form any hour right now, and we are at one of the prominent locations in Chennai called as the Broken Bridge, and this is a kind of situation of the sea, that is the marina in Chennai right now. You can see all the beautiful seabirds that are in this estuary right now, and over there behind it, those are the waves. That is also, you could see that the sea is actually unrest. Cyclone Fengal, it is expected to be formed any hour, and for nearly 3-4 days it has been on the Bay of Bengal. It went to the Sri Lankan coast as a deep depression, and after giving it heavy rain, it has come to Chennai as well currently, close to Tamil Nadu border. And what's happening currently is that for the day, heavy rains are expected in several areas, especially in the Delta and the North Zone. For nearly a week, preparations have been done. The Chief Minister M.K. Stalin and various other officials had conducted a review meeting to exactly handle this particular deep depression, and so very soon expected Fengal when it actually brings the rain. Already, like Cuddalore, Viluppuram, Thanjavur, several days holidays were given for colleges and schools due to rain over there. Chennai so far did not get much rain, but for today and day after, tomorrow, heavy rains are expected. And earlier, the very interesting factor is that this particular deep depression, it went to the Sri Lankan coast, but from there it actually is kind of bounced back, and it was a depression. Until yesterday, it was being said that the shear winds, the vortex, the upper formation and the lower formation, as it did not align properly, there were least chances of this particular deep depression to convert into a cyclone. But right now we've been told that the chances have become in favor of this particular deep depression, and we're expecting it to be converted into cyclone Fengal and make landfall as per predictions between Puducherry and Mahabalipuram.
The deep depression over southwest Bay of Bengal now lies at about 360 km southeast of Puducherry. The system is likely to intensify into cyclone system during next few hours and move northwestwards towards North Tamil Nadu, Puducherry coast, and cross between Karaikal and Mahabalipuram near Puducherry around noon of tomorrow, that is 30th November. Under its influence, fairly widespread rainfall of moderate intensity is likely to occur over North Tamil Nadu, with few places are likely to receive heavy to very heavy rainfall, and 1 or 2 places extremely heavy rainfall is also likely to occur over the North Tamil Nadu coastal districts and the interior part. Fishermen are advised not to venture into the seas, and at the time of crossing of the system, strong winds of 70 to 80 kmph, gusting to 90 kmph is likely to occur over this area.
Amidst this, several things have also occurred. The Coast Guard, the Navy, everybody are on standby. In fact, at Cuddalore, 6 fishermen got trapped. Fishermen were already advised not to venture into the sea until 1st of December. However, they actually were inside the sea for some time, and 6 fishermen were trapped. They were rescued by the Coast Guard, a helicopter. It was a dramatic rescue, but the Coast Guards were very clearly did it and saved 6 lives. That way, the sea is being monitored, and every other precautionary measures have been taken to make sure Tamil Nadu is all prepared to face Cyclone Fengal. This is a region called as Broken Bridge, and behind us you could see all the beautiful seabirds over here. Devan, Pramod Madhav for India Today.